This is Dietitian Julie with Dietitian in Your Kitchen, and everyone really loved my springy spring rolls that I put on social media a couple days ago, so I thought that I would do a short video to show you how to make them. They look complicated, but they're actually really easy. It's a fun thing to do, especially right now. We're in quarantine. We're a little stir crazy. We need something to do that's fun, but not too hard, something that's kind of time consuming. So this is it, the spring rolls. Okay, so I have all my ingredients laid out. So for my spring rolls, I'm using lettuce, pickled vegetables. I actually pickled these myself. It's a mix of parsnip and turnip, carrot, turmeric, and mustard seed. You can use anything, any vegetable. It's like a big salad in a wrap. So you could use shredded carrots, you could use regular dill pickles if you love pickles. You can use anything. I have some shrimp for protein and some rice noodles already cooked, and they're kind of cut up, so they're not super long. I cut them with a knife. And the shrimp are pre-cooked as well. And I have my violets. So these are wild violets picked from my yard. They are edible. They don't have much of a flavor, especially in this preparation. We're just putting a few in each wrap. But you can look online. People do amazing stuff with violets this time of year. They make violet syrup, they make violet beverages, violet jelly. So there you go, wild violets. Okay, so we're going to start our wraps by soaking our spring roll wrappers. So these are my spring roll wrappers. They're large spring roll wrappers, rice wrappers. You can get these at most grocery stores in like an Asian section, or you can go to an Asian grocery. So take one out of the package. There we go. Oops, I got two. And you'll notice that it has a pattern on it. So the idea is when you soak this in the water, the pattern will go away, and then you know it's done. So I'm going to put this in the water. I have a large bowl with water. You can also just use a big plate, like a dinner plate. And it's got warm water. I'm just going to put it in there for a little bit. It doesn't need much time at all. Well, that's soaking. I'm actually going to put a little water on my rolling surface. Found that helps them roll up easier. It doesn't stick to my board. Okay, so my board is wet. My wrapper is wet. Oh, still a pattern. Water's not very hot. Alright, that's pretty good. So put my wrap out on my board. That's already moistened. Just going to smooth it out. And now we're going to lay the fillings in. So I'm going to start with my violets. I'm going to do 3 violets per wrap. I'm going to put them flower side down. So whatever you want to be on the top of your wrap, you're going to put down first. Kind of in the center, slightly more towards myself, but pretty much right in the center. So that's 3 violets. And then I'm going to do a couple of shrimp, maybe 3 shrimp. Move it over. Cool. All right, I always overfill these. I always just want to put more in. So we have our shrimp and violets in a line, and then I think I will do a little bit of rice noodle. Just lay it gently on top. Oh, those are some long ones. That's okay. All right, rice noodle is on. Little bit of pickled veg right on top of that, and top it all off with some lettuce. That's it. It's just a little bit. So it's a fun food because it's very portion controlled. You know exactly what's in it, you know exactly how much you put in it, and exactly how much you want to eat out of it. It's like a big salad. All right, so now we're going to roll it. So I'm pulling the back up and over, kind of tucking it in with my fingers, maybe tucking it under a little bit, pulling the sides in. The rice wrapper kind of sticks to itself, so you can pull it over and stick it down. Come here. Okay, good. So the sides are pulled in, and it's just like a burrito at Chipotle. Tuck it in with your fingers, roll it under, roll, roll, roll. Ta-da! There you go. It's all done. This one's ready to go. I'm going to make a few more, and then it's time to eat. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.